There's no feeling of freedom quite like cruising down the road on a motorcycle. The wind is in your hair. You're floating on a purring, powerful machine. It's the closest feeling to flying that you'll find without leaving the earth. Unfortunately, it's also far more dangerous than riding in a car. Your body is exposed to the elements with no steel cage protecting your delicate bones. Because of this, it is incredibly important to invest in the best motorcycle insurance possible to protect yourself from any potential accidents. When researching and comparing motorcycle insurance quotes, there are many factors to consider. It's important that you thoroughly research which motorcycle insurance is the best for your needs, and how to avoid choosing the wrong one. No worries, we've got you covered. We've gone ahead and compiled information to help you weigh all the variables and make the best decision when choosing your motorcycle insurance policy. If you enjoy videos on investments, insurance, finance, loans, and mortgages, you'll love following the Money Trace channel. You can support us by hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we release new videos. Please also hit the like button if you find this content helpful so that YouTube will spread our message to more people. We strive to support you and your fellow motorcycle riders with all the best information to help keep you safe. The more people who stay protected, the safer the roads are for everyone. While it may be easy to zip through thick traffic on a motorcycle, there are many risks. Tens of thousands of motorcycle-related deaths occur annually, along with countless injuries. The Motor Vehicles Act of 1988 made it mandatory for bikers to be insured. However, only basic third-party insurance was required. This meant that many bikers only had the bare minimum coverage in order to be legal. Let's be realistic. Having an insufficient motorcycle insurance policy is basically like having no insurance at all. We recommend that you always purchase more than your state's bare minimum motorcycle coverage. You would do well to consider purchasing comprehensive coverage, as opposed to a third-party policy. You always want to be sure you are covered with thorough liability insurance, as well as guest liability insurance, in case you cause an accident where someone else gets injured, or their property gets damaged. When comparing motorcycle insurance quotes, research all your available needs and options, understand the coverage types, and compare different plans. From there you can select the most affordable motorcycle insurance policy that also offers the most protection. There are many companies who have great reputations for providing thorough coverage for motorcycle insurance. Geico Motorcycle Insurance has a good reputation, as do Allstate, State Farm, and USAA. Progressive Motorcycle Insurance is a solid brand with a great reputation, as are Farmers Insurance, Liberty Mutual, and Nationwide. Here at Money Trace, we've already done the heavy lifting and researched the best motorcycle insurance partners for you. You can click right now on the description link below to get the best quotes. Just don't forget to come back for more essential tips. It's always useful to work with an agent to help you compare the various options available to you when seeking cheap motorcycle coverage that also protects you thoroughly. Agents may suggest a number of small hacks that can help you lower your quotes. This includes taking a motorcycle safety class, storing your bike in a secure garage, or installing an alarm. Ask your agent about any other suggestions they might have to lower your motorcycle insurance policy in the long run. It's important for you to be well versed on the nuances of coverage, so you know what you will need in each area. Be careful not to buy the cheapest policy available, but also don't overspend on a bunch of unnecessary coverage that doesn't apply to your lifestyle. Generally speaking, you always want to buy as much liability insurance as you would need to cover your expenses in the event of a lawsuit. The cost of your coverage will depend on several factors. One will be the usage of your bike. Another consideration that will affect the cost of your motorcycle insurance will be the cubic capacity of your bike. Larger bikes equal larger premiums. Your costs will also be affected by the current market value of your bike. This is the price that will be repaid to you in the event of a theft. As years go by and your bike ages, it will depreciate, which will therefore lower your premiums. When choosing an insurance company, seek out a trustworthy company with a good reputation. Be sure to research online and find the company's claim settlement ratio. When you choose a reputable company, it is far more likely that they will stand behind your insurance policy, making any potential claim settlement an efficient, no-hassle situation. You can always look online in order to check out the past reviews of former clients, to see what type of experiences other customers had when dealing with each company. Reviews are a useful way to see what kind of experience you're going to have when hiring each company. A smaller insurance company might offer great deals, but behind the scenes they might be notorious for being difficult to work with or making their clients jump through hoops to try and get reimbursed. That's why it can be handy to shortcut the process by choosing one of the top trusted insurance brands to protect you. You will want to buy a policy that covers all the obvious elements of protection, such as collision insurance, comprehensive insurance, personal injury protection, medical payments, liability coverage, guest passenger liability, and uninsured motorist coverage. You may also require more unique coverage for your motorcycle insurance, such as custom parts and equipment coverage. This ensures that if you added aftermarket upgrades to your bike, they will also be covered in the event of an accident. Consider adding OEM endorsement coverage, which ensures that original equipment manufacturer parts are used to repair your bike in the event of an accident. There is also total loss coverage, which will pay to replace and upgrade your bike to a newer model if it gets totaled or stolen. Add-ons like roadside assistance can also be added to your policy. Be sure to consider your needs, as well as your budget, when researching what kind of motorcycle insurance policy you will need to protect yourself and your valuable investment. Hopefully we've given you a head start and some things to think about so you can make the most informed decision possible when protecting yourself. We love to create animated videos to help people like you. Hit subscribe and the bell icon to follow the Money Trace channel. By becoming a part of the Money Trace community, you won't miss our latest videos. One last tip, we've selected 2 other videos that will expand your knowledge even more. Enjoy!